people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys the sewing tutorial of the shoulder pleat wrap top. Please guys, if you did not know how we arrive at this pattern paper, I'll be putting a link below where you can watch how I create this pattern. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome back. If you are just stopping, thank you for stopping by. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please don't mind my voice, and the material I'll be using for this project will be my master ruler, my tape rule, a pair of scissors, chalk, pattern paper, and the fabric. I'm going to set them aside and work with the pattern and the fabric. So now to begin with, I'll be adding 2 of an inch. Please guys, make sure you secure the pattern and the fabric together using a pin. I'll go to the center front and I'll be adding 2 inch all around the neckline, the shoulder, even the hem line. I'll be adding 2 inch to the length as well. That will serve as my facing, and I'm going to connect all the points together like so. If you do not secure the pattern paper, it will be moving all around. So guys, please make sure you secure it with a pin. I'm just adding 2 inch to the length as well. As you can see, I did not secure my fabric, so the pattern paper is moving. So please make sure you do that when you are doing your own. I'm not going to be adding any allowance because I've already had allowance at the pattern paper. So after cutting the front, I cut 2 pieces, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the back pattern, including the sleeve. So guys, I've finished cutting the back and the sleeve, in which I'm having them like so. At the sleeve I add my main length, and I've also go ahead to cut the back facing. I increased the sleeve length because the pattern paper was not enough before, so I've increased the length to my desired length. So now I'm going to go ahead and start the video. So now to begin with, firstly I'll measure the shoulder, the back shoulder. I'm having 4.5 inch. So I'll be folding the front pattern to the shoulder of the back. This is what I was saying when I was cutting the pattern. Depending on the volume you want, you can go as much as 3 inches, you can go as much as 4, depending on the volume you want. So now I'll begin to do the shoulder pleat for the front. And then you remember we had 2 inch at the center front of the front when we were cutting it out. So now I'm just pinning it in because that will serve as my facing. I won't be cutting any facing. That's the main reason why I had 2 inches when I was cutting. So now I'll be taking the pleating one by one like so. I'll be pinning it down just to make sure both the front and the back shoulder are equal. So I'll grab the back and check if they are equal. As you can see, they are equal. I'll grab my second. I'll grab the next front. like so, and also do the pleating. So I marked what I have at the facing, so I'm turning in the facing also for the other side of the front. So I begin to pin the other side as well. Guys, you have to make sure the shoulder are equal so that you won't run into any problem, and so that you can be able to sew very neat. And as you can see, both sides are equal, and I'll grab it and take it to my sewing machine and then join it together. So this is what I have. After joining it together, I'm going to go ahead and press it and then come back to do the sleeve. I'll go ahead and iron this. I'll press it just to show the pleating that I took. So this is the sleeve, and the fabric wasn't enough, so I have to join it. I joined the fabric so that it will be enough, and I'm also going to be pleating the sleeve as well, like so. So this is roughly what I have after I finish pinning everything, and I also measure it to check the if it is equal with the armhole. So at the down, I'll be creating my elastic channel like so, which is 1 inch. I'll be passing my elastic through it, and the elastic I'll be using is 11 of an inch. So yeah, I'm just passing the elastic through. Just take your time. You can recreate this. Just take your time. And also remember to put pin to secure the edge of the elastic so that you won't run into any problem. So after passing the elastic through, I'll be sewing it by 1 inch, like so. I'm just sewing 1 inch straight. And with the help of my machine, I'll be using it to do weaving. And this is what I have at the end of the day, looking beautiful and nice. Again, the measurement of the elastic I put at the round armhole sleeve is 11 inch. So I'm just going to be fixing it to the armhole of the blouse, like so. Please remember to turn on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And also, please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe. So this is how I'm going to be attaching the sleeve to the armhole, like so. And I'm going to take it to my machine and sew, then show you guys what I have at the end of the day. changing or checking the back. So this is what I'm having at the end of the day, looking beautiful and nice. I'll be creating a skirt for this, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And we've come to the end of today's video. If you really enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe and like the video, share, and also turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.